Hey everybody, Driven Arms Co. here doing a quick installation guide on your new slip fit Magwell. Alright, so when you first get your Magwell, you're going to want to open it up and make sure you have everything in the package. You're going to find the Magwell itself, and then your hex key, and then the bolt as well. Alright, so first things first, you're going to begin by either separating your lower from your upper or making sure the gun is completely clear and safe. Next, you're going to spread the split end of the Magwell over the front of the lower and slide it on towards the rear. Depending on your lower, the Magwell should snap into place. It's okay if it looks like this, where the rear of the Magwell is split just a little bit. It's very important to note that you insert the screw into the Magwell from the right side of the gun and not the left side. The right side meaning the side with the forward assist. Something to note is that the screw will already be pre-installed in the right side of the Magwell when you get it. Now squeeze or pinch the split end together, just enough to get the provided screw through the split, bridging the two sides. Gently begin to screw the two halves together. Very minimal force should be required. Once the two sides begin to touch, stop. Your installation is complete and you're good to go. Again, please do not over torque and go train those reloads.